Yeah. This is, we've already talked about this once. Seth has talked about it, but I just wanted to add something to it. This is we've actually have a version 1 of our insurance tracking out there, and we learned what not to do with version 1. So we have been redesigning and coming up with not just insurance tracking, but we needed a database, we needed some other things, and we needed a more modern look than what we had. It was basically using paperless. We needed a true, tight database, and we needed a foundation. Do people know what tiers are here? You know, if you have a sub underneath a sub, or you got vendors and so forth, it's a big problem out there for clients. There's not any accounting system that we know of that deals with it. Has anybody heard of Textura? Okay, Textura deals with tiers. It's a system though that you have to sign on to. You can never own it, and it's okay for a lot of people. There's a lot of people that it's not okay for. But handling tiers, you can't do tiers in Timberline. So that tier goes to insurance. It goes to lien releases. So what I'm just going to say, the foundation, we're working with paperless, or the product that we have come up with what I think is going to be a great look. We are a long ways into it now. And it's going to be basically doing insurance first, insurance complying. It's going to handle job specific, all operations. It's going to handle owner insurance. It's got email notifications. It's got reports, all the things you would want to automate that process. We're taking it a step further to even bring up what your insurance requirements are. So every time an insurance certificate comes in, you'll have a screen that shows you what your company requires. Until all those items are reviewed and checked off, that insurance certificate is not going to be accepted. We've already started design work on lien release. Anybody have lien release issues where it's like it's really intense. This is part of Ryan's idea, but I'll just give you a preview of what we're doing. Our idea is that we're going to try to make this as paperless as possible. I know it can't totally be paperless, but we're going to handle all your clients that have different forms. We're going to handle that. And then you're going to let you be proactive and send the releases out before rather than waiting for them to come in, you'll send them out. And we're going to use a barcode at the bottom to send them out with so we know what they are. So when they come back, you just run them through auto batch. You don't touch them. They'll go automatically get indexed into the system. You'll know what you have and what you don't have. And we'll have screens and dashboards that tell you where you stand on any given draw and what releases are missing and what you don't have. We're going to handle prelims and all that. We're going into certified payroll tracking after that. Then we're going into contractor's license. So the foundation, what we're doing, in short, is that we're coming up with a compliance module that integrates with paperless. So we have the documents in back of it, integrates with your accounting system at the same time. And basically, we're trying to put it on, what I call it, just automate, just basically 24/7. It's doing the work that you don't have time to do.